One thing about Uvuyokazi Ncweni, she is proof that you can bounce off from anything. You can bounce off from any setback in life that you face, just because you have two kids unmarried doesn't mean that it's the end of the world for you. You can literally do anything else that you want to do, nothing is stopping you. So as we all know, Vuyokazi Ncweni was in a relationship with Mpumelelo Mseleku, the guy that was cheating. The guy was treating her bad in all ways possible. Sana, the guy was also said to be a deadbeat, not supporting the kids. She was just caught up in that whole mess. And then she moved on with her life, but then she found another guy that also played in her face, Gazini. And look at her now. Look at her now. She is a graduate. She is officially a graduate. She graduated from UNISA. Congratulations to her. I just wish that a lot of people get inspired by this because I am also inspired. It's just proof that you can bounce off from anything, guys. She is doing very well for herself. She recently got her apartment. She is just doing great. She's getting all these media campaigns. She did her surgery to lose weight. Sana, she has body goals now. She is a graduate. She has her own place. She is just raising her kids, without any drama because she was caught up in a very, very big drama. Sana, yeah, let's say fake, but I'm glad that she decided to see her worth and just leave that relationship. Don't be staying in a relationship that is toxic just because you have a child with someone. Like, children grow, guys. They really grow, even without both their parents being together, And now it seems like they are co-parenting very well because I can see that Umpumelelo is trying to be, that supportive father. He was also present for a birthday, Yefes Bonyabo. So she is just living her life and we wish her all the best. She is very inspiring to us. You can bounce off from anything. Always remember that. Sana Ugel has been through the most. She was even engaged at some point, but the guy that engaged her was also playing her, I guess. But look at her now. Like, Sana, we love it for her. We really love it for her, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what do you think of Uvyokazi Ncweni.